Nikki from It's a Southern Life, and today I'm tackling this horrible, awful mess. I don't even know where to start. It's pretty embarrassing showing y'all, but I knew that if I did a video that it would inspire myself to do the closet and to see the makeover. So here it goes. Wish me luck. So the first thing I did was I just took everything out of this closet, and I went ahead and put everything I wanted to keep on the bed. I had a trash bag, put everything that I wanted to throw away in the trash bag, and then I had places to put things that I wanted to donate. To me, this was just the easiest way just to go ahead and go through it all. Hey look, there's my wedding dress. Haven't seen it for a while. Glad I found it. And then I painted this when I was in high school. That was cute to find that. I don't know if I'll keep it though. I don't think I'll ever put it up. But I don't know. I might keep it for sentimental reasons. And that's my problem. I keep things for sentimental reasons, and that's something that I need to work on and that I'm trying to work on very, very much. So here is all the stuff that came out of that little closet. Y'all, I'm so ashamed of myself for having all this clutter just for nothing. So now I'm going to go through it, rehome it, and put it back in the closet if it needs to go. Load number one that I took directly to Goodwill. If I can give you any tip, or you take any tip away from this video, put the stuff directly in your vehicle, load it up, take it directly to Goodwill, because if it sits, you will go through it and you will pull stuff out, or it will just stay there. I just cleaned the whole entire closet. I wiped down all the shelves, and I tried to get all the black marks off of the walls, but they would not come off, so I just vacuumed and just washed everything. And I don't know how this got in there. This is a razor blade cover, but who knows. So here is the finished closet. All of that stuff. Wait, what's that? I didn't get that. I'll figure out what it is later. So, this is all that's left. It's not really organized as I would want it to be, but I just needed to clear it out because I'm selling my house, so I want the closets to look big, so I want it to look really empty. Oh, let me show you. This is actually a Christmas gift. I don't want to put them out yet. I want to save them for the new house when I move, but it's really pretty towels with so yeah, that's it. This was a tough one. It took me a few hours to do this. I hope that this inspires some of y'all to get into your closets and donate as much as you can to bless someone else that needs stuff, and just help you get organized. And if you are selling a house, just remember all your closets need to be somewhat empty to make them look even bigger. So thank y'all so much for watching. See you in the next video.